How to deploy projects from GitHub on Netlify. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily do this. So first thing you're going to have to do is go to netlify.com and then sign into your account. I've already signed in, so here I have the option to import projects from GitHub. So I'll just click on import from Git and select GitHub from here. I'll show you guys, I have a few repositories on my GitHub, some demo repositories. So I'll just go to github.com, select this right here, and then as you can see here, Netlify has authorized the access. Now from all repositories, you can select only the repositories that you want to deploy. I have two repositories here. I'll select this Next.js boilerplate and then click on install. Now once you have done that, the access has been authorized and you have your project right here. So all you have to do is click on your project, enter your project name, and then you could just scroll down, select your branch, select your build command, and then you could just enter your published directory, enter your function directory, and then click on deploy Next.js or whatever your project name is. This project name is not available, so I'll just give it my own name, scroll down, and then I can just go ahead and click on deploy this. And once that is done, the project should be deployed without any problem. And that is basically it. So here it is starting up the deploy, click on it. And once the deployment is complete, it will notify you and you should be able to good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you guys in the next one.